everyone, my name is Shasidhar and you're watching Shasidhar's World. So today we will be making an envelope. So this is how it will look like at the end. So let's start. So the materials is a A4 size paper and a pen optional. So let's start. So place your paper horizontally. Take the right edge and fold it to the left edge and make very good creases. Now take these 2 points and fold it here. Now take these 2 points and fold them down. Now open it. Now fold this 2 points to the middle line. Now you can turn it around. Now take these 2 points and fold them up. Now take this point and airplane fold it like a triangle. And do the same thing on the other side. Now fold this point up toward, not to the middle, but just like near, like right about here. And now you can crease and do the same thing on the other side, just about right there. Now you can make good creases. Now open these 2. Now take these 2 points and fold it here. Unfold. Now take this point and fold it right there. So, and then crease. Do the same thing on the other side. Crease. And open. Now what you do is you unfold these 2 and take these 2 points and fold them up and flatten. Now take these 2 points and fold it, but you can see you can't fold it. So what you can do is just fold it so that this line matches this line. Fold it, and then it's making like kind of a triangle shape, so you can just flatten the triangle. And do the same thing on the other side. So just fold. And then just make the triangle. Now you can take these 2 points and fold them down. Okay, and crease. Now open this and put it back to a square and make it a fold. And do the same thing on the other side. So just take it and make it like a square and flatten it. Now take this point and curl it and put it under there. And do the same thing on the other side. Now when you're done, you can take this point and airplane fold it to this crease. And do the same thing on the other side. Now, just take these 2 points and tuck it under this flap. And now you're done with the envelope. Optional, you can write an arrow and write pull. And now the envelope is ready. Thank you. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.